Welcome to Trojan on Solana, the ultimate Telegram trading bot built for speed and precision. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, Trojan gives you an edge with powerful tools right in your pocket. Let's talk about security. Always use official links. Don't search for Trojan on Telegram. You may stumble on a scam bot. Now, when you launch the official bot, you'll get a private key. Never share it. Keep it offline and safe. From the main menu, you can access our support chat with the help button. Just remember, our mod team will never private message you first. Scammers, they're everywhere. Stay on your toes and you'll be fine. All right, you've got some SOL, Solana's native token. You're in the bot, ready to get started. But what exactly is Trojan on Solana? It's a tool to supercharge your trading strategies. You're in control with access to powerful features built for speed and ease of use. So how does it work? For quick moves, use market buys or sells to swap tokens instantly. No sluggish wallets or clunky dexes slowing you down. Trojan gives you even more. Set limit orders, use dollar cost averaging, copy trade, even snipe new tokens at launch, a full suite of pro-level tools. And it's all customizable. Adjust gas fees, set slippage, even enable MEV protection. Manage up to 10 wallets with easy transfers, and add a secure action password for extra safety. Add tokens to your watch list. And find new launches with the Trenches feed. Earn referral rewards, even get cash back on fees. And don't forget, our support chat is open 24/7. Trojan on Solana, fast, feature-rich, and built for you. Visit trojanonsolana.com to trade smarter today. Stay safe, stay in control, and happy trading.